Yeah, I'm in one of the new maps, currently being chased by Noli, by the way. Am I getting targeted? God, stop it. Stop hurting me, dog. Stop it. I feel targeted. Yes, thank you. Okay. Finally. What do you guys think about this map? I'll try to explore as much as I can, but yeah, I guess they just don't want us going in the end. Yeah, cool. Only the killer is allowed over there. That's premium. That's premium killer stuff, guys. Is that what I think it is? Ladders? May ladders let me up? Oh, I think this is, I know what this is. Either way. Well, yeah. Okay guys, so while we wait for this round to be over, let's go over some of the new skins that I do not own because I am not buying anything for some reason. Killer Kyle, that looks cool, honestly. You can't change my mind, that kind of looks cool. Apparently they took away Mafioso from me. How rude of them. That looks unique now. But nothing really that. Apparently, Noli has a yourself skin. Hold on. Oh, here's the new thing for, like, him, yeah. Yeah, so here's that. And apparently another killer, every killer except Jason and Cool Kid get a yourself skin. That's cool, I guess. Look at all of this. No, I don't want that. I want this. Noob token. That's cool. Spotter. Okay, that genuinely made me giggle. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Oh yeah, here's the new map. Yeah. I'll do some gameplay on this since I've only played on it once, like, yeah, ever. Yeah, like once ever. Cool Kid really did something to this place, didn't he? Now I kind of feel bad for Elliot, bro. Man, I really wish we could climb up that. Okay. Wait, is that a hallucination? Please tell me that isn't. I honestly don't know anymore with Noli. Got a notification. Buddy, you're not getting away. Never mind, he is getting away because I'm not dying. are an idiot. Join Team Cool Kid. Team Cool Kid, join today. No. Digital hallucination. Get back here. Damn. This dude's agile, bro. Can't even hit him. I'm non-existent, low, bro. I'm totally non-existent. No, bro. Dodge, bro. Get dodge. Cool Kid eye ability, bro. You are an idiot. Bro, don't have to tell me twice. I know that already, bro. He's just gonna keep calling us an idiot, isn't he? Did bro really just have to kill him? Look, my step. He almost hit us. Dog, get your... Bro acting like I didn't just see that glow coming from it. Connie ass ability. We got Connie level 2 up in this shit. Bro, stop coming after me. And by the way, yes, I do know this dude is the original. I'm just making fun of his ability. Imagine missing. Couldn't be me. Okay, I can't run. Let's go back to looking at the skins. Either way, sorry for this being a long video. Oh yeah, I went to this dude, yeah. So, Builders Club. I wasn't around for that. I wasn't even born, I'm pretty sure. But from what I've heard, it's a pretty good, neat thing. And these skins look pretty cool. Matching skins because they were friends, of course. Now on to my main 2-time. He's my precious. Jester. Ghoul. Philosopher. Alright, yeah, here's the end. Anyways. Jester. Teenage Power Ranger. Or some shit. Kaboom! There goes your towers. Watch it crumble, feel the power. I should be the 2009. That's actually pretty unique. On to him. Plushie. I want plushie. Either way, let's go over the lobby and then the emotes, and then we'll be done. There's this. This looks unique. I'm not really good on stage, you know. Bananas. Oh, how bananas are yummy. Yeah, banana. Yeah, horrible singing performance. Neat little drawings. Okay, next, let's do the emotes. There's this one. I think we all know what emote that is. And then there's this. There's this that you get from this one. Which, the way you get it, is, let me show you. So you do this. You go here and you tap on this a couple of times. Yeah, I watched a YouTube tutorial for it. Don't blame me. And here's this. Liberty. Either way, who wants to help? I know, right, for real. You know what? I bet it's going to be something like... Hey, look at that. See, there are a few changes on this that I'm going to go through, such as that little light area thing over there. I don't remember that being there. I don't really remember it being there. It could have been. But there's also this. Just blink. Oh, and the balloons. I don't remember if they were there or not. But there are the balloons. And I'm pretty sure this hasn't been here. I don't know. I'm scared now. The candy. Free pizza. Oh, I thought that was candy. Sorry, mate. I don't want pizza. Here's the Sentinel doing absolutely nothing while someone dies. Did I not stab? Ow. Fuck no. Ouch, that hurt, you know. Circling like wells. Circling like vultures all around. Die! Nah, bro, imagine getting your ankles broken by the ones you thought to destroy.